Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to load a virtual game card onto your Nintendo Switch 2. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you just got your Nintendo Switch 2 and you switched over your account over to your Nintendo Switch 2. How do you actually go ahead and load a virtual game card? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So the first thing that we're going to do is that you want to navigate to where it says virtual game cards. Next, choose the virtual game cards of who you want to go ahead and see. Now from this option here, you can see all the virtual game cards that are connected to your Nintendo E account. So for example, if you want to go ahead and download Hades onto your Nintendo Switch 2, all you've got to do is click on Hades and then click on load onto the system. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and download virtual game cards onto your Nintendo Switch 2. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.